Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Google and AI using AI News Glitch. So here is the register page. So just click your details here, just enter your details, and then your news website will be ready, and I will show you how you can make limitless money using Google AdSense and AI. So just register here, like website name. Now admin name here. Now email here, newsadmin@gmail.com. Enter your password here like this. Now your subdomain, just click on submit. Now wait for a few seconds, your account is ready. It will redirect you for admin panel and your main website look. Okay, so now registration is success. Just click on front end. Now your website will look like this. Here are so many done for you news already added in your website, and also it will automatically submitted in Google submission directories so that the SEO will be good. So just enter your email ID here for login and enter your password and click on login. So now I'm just logged in, and here is the admin panel. Here is your website. You can click for reading the news like this. So you can change the theme here, and you can add post here like this. You can add articles, gallery, you can run quiz as well. You can share audio news, you can share video stories. Just click on videos. Let me show you how you can do this. My Add your title here like news about US and China. You can add your keywords here. Now open YouTube, enter here US news. Now here it is. Just just copy this URL and go to video URL and click on get video. Now as you can see, your video is here. Now add thumbnail. I have already created a thumbnail here. Now click and select image, and here is the AI content. The best part is you don't have to write any words for news. Just click here and news about USA, enter your keyword, and then just click on submit. Wait for a few seconds. AI content will generate it in few seconds. Now as you can see, the content is here. Just fix this, like there are points. how you can use AI News Glitch for making money with AI and Google AdSense. There are so many other options as well. There are SEO tools as well for making a better SEO for your website. You can add the title here, site description, keywords, and just click on save. So this is how AI News Glitch works. So thank you for watching.